Hi kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk silly science. Today, boys and girls, we will actually talk about electrical conductors. I know you've heard of a conductor before. Where have you heard of it from? On a choo-choo train? You have. So I think of a conductor as something similar to that. These are materials that allow electricity to pass through them easily, and they're called electrical conductors. Conductors are used in wires that connect electrical devices. Examples of conductors are like metals, like my bell here is a metal, such as iron. We have copper. Pennies are copper. Guess what? They're conductors. Have copper wires. Let's see, aluminum. You got aluminum foil at home. Guess what? It's a conductor of energy. Yes, of electrical energy. You have gold. And guess what else is a conductor? Water. Water is a conductor of energy. So we're going to explore that a little bit today, okay? So I have here, remember I said that conductors actually connect to electrical devices, right? And sometimes, like we have batteries here that have stored energy in them, and they're going to make our energy go into a light bulb. See, I have that little small light bulb here. So what I have here is a device that has metal and everything. You see the metal in the center. Now what we're going to do, because metal is a conductor, right? We're going to connect this light bulb, which also has metal on this end, we're going to twist it into that little piece of metal there. Now, because again, we got metal, right? So I have some wires here. I have some wires, and inside of here, there's metal. There's all kind of metals. There's all kind of metal. And so what I'm going to do, my black metal, it's going to go with my black metal. I did it the wrong way, boys and girls. See, scientists have to be very specific. So let's connect it to where the black wire goes. And this is our positive wire. If I can get it in there. Good. Remember, a conductor of wire is, wire is a conductor of energy. Okay, and so I've got my negative there, right? So you see I have a negative wire and a positive wire, but they are metal. Inside they're metal, and you see the metal on the ends as well. So let me show you something. So if I take this, and remember, batteries are stored energy, okay? So if I connect this to this side, and this to this side, oops, I've got to hold it in place. Look what happens. My light bulb lights up because my stored energy is now flowing, is conducting through each one of my wires and going into the other wire that makes the light bulb. Because even the light bulb has little bitty wires inside of it. So all of those are conductors. Now I also said that aluminum foil is a conductor, right? So what if I connected it to here and then still connected it to my wire? Do you think the light bulb is still going to light up? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it still lights up because aluminum foil is a conductor. It's like a choo-choo train. See? All that energy is going right through the track, right? If you add water to salt, it is a conductor of energy too. Now, another place that you have energy that you probably don't even realize is inside your body. Oh, you heard that already? So, now remember something about electricity. If it's not connected, it doesn't go through because it's not conducting the energy all the way through, right? Because remember, we said that it goes all the way through the metal. So inside your body, there's energy. I'm going to hold this side with this. You don't hear anything, right? And you don't see the lights lighting up. Let me tell you. Whoops. But when I do this, this is my energy stick. You see that my lights are lighting up and you can hear the sound. Whoops. Right? Yeah, but if I let it go, no sound. Let it go, no sound. No sound, because then my energy is not going all the way through the tube. But if I do this, it is, okay? So there's energy all around you, okay? And I want you to do something. I want you to take 1 minute, so use a timer. I don't care if you use your parents' phone timer, or if you use a watch or a clock, or if you just have count to 60. But I want you to find as many objects in your house that uses electricity, which are conductors, all the way through your house, okay? And I want you to make a list of them, of everything. So you're going to have to run around the house really fast to get as many as you can, okay? And if you don't get enough of them, do it again. It's okay. You can do the game again, okay? So you can do that and then send pictures to me at WKNO, teacherteacher@gmail.com. It's going to come directly to me. Now, I also want you to do something else. If you just want to learn a little bit more about conductors, about energy, copper, aluminum, any of these metals we're talking about, even batteries that stored energy in the batteries. Well, what I want you to do is I want you to go to our resource page at pbslearningmedia.org, and you will find all kinds of information on energy and electricity and conductors and all of that good stuff, okay? So thank you for being here with us today, boys and girls, and thank you, International Paper, for making this silly science happen. So until next time, Teacher says, bye-bye.